I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs mostly in the upper 60s to the 70s and elevated fire weather concerns, a cold front continues to be the focus for thunderstorms this afternoon through tonight, mostly across the central and east. Few of those storms could produce some small hail and gusty winds, but nothing too widespread for severe weather. In behind that front, tomorrow and Wednesday, more seasonal with highs in the mid-60s to around 70. Tomorrow, north wind gusts to 30 and low humidity result in elevated fire weather conditions, especially to the south of I-80. A few light showers are possible late tomorrow night through Wednesday night with some weak disturbances. Thunderstorm chances, including the potential for severe storms, increase late Thursday afternoon through the overnight as low pressure ejects from the four corners. Additional widespread rain is likely for Friday and late Saturday through Saturday night. Those chances decreasing for Sunday. Rain total should range from a half inch to an inch, including up to 2 inches in some localized areas. Highs gradually cool, mostly to the 60s on Sunday. While it will be a little cooler, the long-term forecast continues with warmer than normal temperatures this weekend through the first 5 days of May for Nebraska and Kansas. By the early days of May, central Nebraska daytime highs are typically in the upper 60s and overnight lows usually in the low 40s. Above normal rainfall is predicted for Nebraska and Kansas this weekend through May 5th. Those higher chances this weekend through early next week. Soil temperatures this morning at 7 and 4 inches deep across Nebraska and Kansas in the mid to upper 40s. Key weather factors impacting the markets include active weather for the central U.S., varied crop weather in Europe and the Black Sea region, dry weather concerns in Brazil, and heavy rain in Argentina. On the plains, temperatures are rebounding and highs today could reach 80 as far north as southeastern Colorado and western and central Kansas. Quiet weather prevails across much of the U.S. the rest of this week, accompanied by a general warming trend in areas that are starting the week on a cool note. Some additional freezes can be expected across the north, especially in the mid to late week from the upper Midwest into the Northeast. Most areas of the U.S. receive less than an inch of rain over the next 5 days. The second half of the week, some locally heavy rain and thunderstorms may develop from the eastern plains into the western Corn Belt. Any delays in planting for the plains and Midwest likely to be short-lived. Brazil's wet season is effectively over. Much of Brazil's second crop corn growing areas stay dry, forcing the corn to draw on limited subsoil moisture during pollination and grain fill. Argentina, though, is too wet for harvest with areas of heavy rain going into May. Quality issues also a concern for a mostly good crop. Soil moisture for Argentina's wheat crop, though, is very favorable. In Europe, France and the UK remain too wet, while Spain and areas in the south need more rain. Spain gets some of that rain this weekend and next week. Frost have been common across northern Europe, where wheat is less developed and early planting is delayed. Towards the Black Sea region, timely rains are likely to continue to favor corn areas of western and central Ukraine, while missing the wheat areas of eastern Ukraine and most of southwestern Russia in the next week or two. Crop conditions for winter grains are dropping in the eastern Black Sea region, while planting progress is quicker than normal. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.